A week ago, I went to Ikea to shop Scandinavian holiday decor on a budget, and today I'm showing you how I flipped it. I'm Mom, by the way. Thank you so much for stopping by. We are getting started right away. The first thing I got was this set of 3 mini trees made of renewable plastic. These were $3.99 for the whole set. We are also using this wooden embroidery hoop, these ones around $1.50 at Michael's. I'm using the smallest tree since my hoop is a bit small, but you can use any of them you like best. So first we are removing this plastic stand and we're attaching it to a wooden bead. This just fits like a glove. Then I'm just hot gluing the bead onto the hoop, and this already looks super cute. Next, I had this ribbon tie at home, so I'm tying it to the hoop so that we can use it for hanging. I also pulled through another piece horizontally so that I can make a bow tie. Let's see how this turned out. For the second project, I got these white unscented candles from Ikea. These were $6.99 for the pack of 8. I also got this scrap piece of wood I had just lying around my home from a previous project. This was around 50 centimeters long, and we're making a candle holder out of it. I saw the inspo for this project on Pinterest and I was somewhat intimidated by it. However, this turned out to be super easy to make, so if you like it, I encourage you to go ahead and try it out. After making the marks, I then went ahead with this Forstner bit. I made sure this was as wide as my candles. And now we're drilling the holes. I decided to go for 6 candle holes, however you can do as many as you want. After finishing with the holes, we are going for a quick sand before putting the candles in. You obviously can use any candles you like. However, my go-to place for budget candles is always Ikea. They also have light green ones and red. And now let's see how this candle holder turned out. The next project I have for you is the easiest one for sure. You're going to need some old empty boxes of whatever you have lying around your home, and you're going to need a wrapping paper. I got this beautiful holiday wrapping paper set from Ikea for $4.99, and let me just say that Ikea just stepped it out with the wrapping paper collection this year. Now all we have to do is just wrap up the boxes, and that's it. This is basically the simplest hack for making cute under the tree decor while keeping some important boxes stored away. What I often would do is just pop in my warranty and my receipt inside the box before wrapping it up. That way I keep the important boxes I may need in the future while keeping them out of sight. In the end, I just mark what's inside so I always know which box to open if I need it. Now to style my under the tree decor, I'm also using the Ikea FLÅDISBasket. I don't know why, but I don't really like tree skirts, and if you are someone like me, let me tell you that this basket will work perfectly. To give it some height, I'm adding in this yoga roller, and on top I'm popping in my tree. You can obviously use a box instead, or any object that is stable and fits into the basket. To cover everything up, I use this fabric I got from my local florist. And now we're popping in our gifts to make the tree look a bit more styled. Wait till you see how it turned out. And for our last DIY, I'm using this IKEA straw decoration I got for $5.99. I really loved this one. However, this bright red is just not in my color palette. So we are using this ribbon I got from my local florist to just zhuzh it up. For rewrapping this whole thing, I used 2 meters of ribbon. Now I just started unwrapping it and adding my new ribbon instead. I used hot glue to keep it in place to begin with, but then I just went on. honestly, this is such a nice piece of decor. Other than looking super cute, I really love the tradition and the story behind it. They actually call this the Christmas goat, and it is the sheaf made from the last straws of the year to secure the next harvest. These straws were traditionally saved for Christmas, and they were tied with a red ribbon. IKEA decided to bring them in as a handmade Christmas decoration, and honestly, I'm all for it. However, I just wanted to show you that sometimes we find pieces of furniture or decor that we really love, but we don't really vibe with the color. So I'm showing you how easy it is to change anything and match your own personal style and just give your own personal touch to any piece. And to finish it all off, I'm just tying a bow. And that wraps it up for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like my IKEA flips and holiday DIYs. If you did, make sure to check out my last video where I DIY 10 Christmas ornaments to fit my Scandinavian style and just make a more sustainable Christmas. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss another video again. And as always, I'll see you designers next week.